Hello. Why did I say that the market will reach the bottom on Feb 15th or 14th? It's because if you look at the previous drawback from its all-time high at this point on April until the next recovery, it was 98 days. So if we just transpose the same scenario from its cycle top and count 98 days, you get 15 February 2022. So 15 February 2022, the market will reach $28,000, $28,000 at this level. So that will be the most appropriate time to buy on 14th to 15th of February. But I will also look for signs of entries, and I'll be good at that. I'll know the signs for entry. This Wyckoff distribution here, it will clear, as you can see, it clears here, then suppresses the market here, then it breaks upward, then it's time to buy. So we're expecting the market to go down a bit, even though there are some trend lines I've drawn here. It may recover at this point, but not really. It may come upwards like this, then it goes down to $28,000 before showing something like this. So that's why I'm saying on this date of February 14th, 15th, that's the point where it may reach. The market can go like this, hit that bottom, then you see a very capitulating candle, weekly candle maybe. Sorry. Let me draw again. You see the market going like this. Then that's how it will go. So even if you buy at $30,000, it goes less to $28,000. That doesn't mean you have lost. It's just a matter of time, like 2 days, then it rebounds back again, then it continues with the rally. So you just do dollar cost averaging and just buy it and forget, and you look later and you see that the market will go upwards. So now if it forms an all-time high at this region, then you'll expect that once it breaks this level, it will reach $100,000, then recover maybe to 80, or the worst case at this region, then it breaks, and in like even 2 weeks you can see a movement of around 100% in just 2 weeks. When the market is reaching the top, it usually goes exponentially. And then it drops like this. That's how the market behaves. But you may find that it will take time before it reaches here. But once it reaches here, it starts to form big runs, like 20% in one day, 50. That's how it will reach 200,000 before now, reaching 200,000. Now, after that, what happens? After it reaches 200,000, expect the market to go to crash. That's where the bull cycle will end, and then it will crash again back to 80% crash. That's what we call the real bear market. So if it forms 80%, it will reach 220, so that it crashes like 80%. That brings us to 44,000 or 45, $44,000 from this point. That's what has been happening. If you check the previous cycle, it did the same. This is called the mid-cycle correction. We are in the mid-cycle correction. Here it is, like this one. So during this phase, you see the last few months, the last few weeks, this is the daily chart, the first few weeks, you see the market even goes to around 40% to 50% in one day or 1 week, and that's a sign of a bull market. But if we don't see that exponential move, if you can't see this exponential move during the last phases of the bull run, then the market is not due for correction. So that's how we wait for those corrections, for those bull markets run. So just buy and wait somewhere in 2022 November to December there, you may find that the price will go to 200,000. So that's where I will sell all my cryptos at this point. Here I will sell part of them, here I sell all of them. Then I buy at this region again at 44,000. Then it goes in the next bull run. So the rest of 2024 will be bear market. I wait for the next halving in 2024, the mid of 2024. Then it reaches, I wait it reaches around $500,000. As the market is going up, remember that the movement of one candle becomes even bigger. It moves from 54,000 to 60,000 is $10,000. So when it comes to even at this point, a small movement of $10,000 will be like $50,000. You get my point. So the more we move upwards, the more it becomes significant in terms of movement. So at this point, we may expect, when you buy at this point in the next bull run, you may expect 7 times that price, 400,000, 500. You may expect 8 to 10 times movement. So the market behaves that way, and it's better for you to just stick and wait for the next bull run. Also, you make 10 times your current investment at that point. So if one tries to capture the cycles, one can become a long-term investor and make a lot of money. So that's my strategy. That's my Bitcoin strategy. Invest wisely.